Oh my goodness, Ryan. Did you hear that thunder last night?
Yes, it was so loud. I woke up at midnight because of it.
Me too. The storm was really strong. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pro English Channel.
We are so happy you joined us today. Today's lesson is perfect for this rainy weather.
That's right. Today we are going to talk about rain and storms in English. This is a topic you will use all the time in real conversations.
Exactly. Whether you're talking to a friend, a coworker, or a stranger, rain and storms always give you something interesting to talk about.
Before we start, please like this video, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to Pro English Channel for more fun and easy English lessons every week.
Your support helps us so much. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Now let's get started.
Let's go!
So, Olivia, how was your morning today?
Honestly, Ryan, it was a little difficult. It was raining so heavily when I woke up. I looked outside and the sky was completely dark and gray.
Oh no, did you get wet?
Almost. I grabbed my umbrella just in time before leaving the house, but the wind was so strong that my umbrella nearly turned inside out.
Oh, that is the worst feeling. I hate when that happens.
It was really annoying, but the rain stopped by the time I arrived, so it was okay in the end.
That's good. You know, I actually love the sound of rain. When I'm at home, sitting with a warm cup of tea, listening to the rain outside feels so peaceful and relaxing.
You know what? I agree with that. Rain at home is beautiful. Rain when you are outside is a different story.
That is so true. Let's learn some useful phrases we just used.
It was raining heavily this morning.
The sky was dark and gray.
I grabbed my umbrella just in time.
The wind was so strong.
The rain stopped by the time I arrived.
Now, repeat after us slowly.
It was raining heavily this morning.
I grabbed my umbrella just in time.
The wind was so strong.
The rain stopped by the time I arrived.
Now let's talk about some common things people do when it rains or when there's a storm.
Good idea. Olivia, what do you do when it rains?
Well, first, I always check the weather forecast before going outside. If it says rain, I take my umbrella. I also wear a waterproof jacket if the rain looks heavy.
Smart. I do the same. I also try to carry an extra pair of socks because wet socks are the most uncomfortable thing in the world.
Oh, that is so true. Wet socks are terrible.
What about during a big storm? What do you do?
During a storm, I stay inside, I close all the windows, and make sure everything outside is safe. And then I make a hot drink and watch a movie or read a book.
That sounds like the perfect storm plan.
It really is. Let's learn some useful phrases for talking about what people do in the rain.
I always check the weather forecast before going out.
I carry an umbrella just in case.
Make sure to wear a waterproof jacket.
I stayed inside during the storm.
It is better to wait until the rain stops.
Repeat after us.
I always check the weather forecast before going out.
I carry an umbrella just in case.
I stayed inside during the storm.
It is better to wait until the rain stops.
Let's practice some questions and answers now. Olivia, ask me a question about rain.
Okay. Do you like rainy days, Ryan?
It depends. If I am at home, then yes, I love rainy days. The sound of rain is so calming. But if I have to go outside, then not really. What about you?
I like light rain. When it drizzles gently, it feels so fresh and nice. But I do not enjoy heavy storms very much.
That makes sense. Here are some questions you can ask in your own conversations.
Do you like rainy days?
How do you stay dry when it rains?
Have you ever been caught in a storm?
What do you do when it rains heavily?
Do you check the weather forecast every day?
Try answering these questions in full sentences. For example, I like rainy days because the sound of rain helps me relax. Or, when it rains heavily, I always carry a big umbrella and wear a waterproof jacket.
Practice these with a friend or family member, and your English speaking will improve so quickly.
Let's do a quick review of everything we learned today.
Vocabulary words: thunder, lightning, thunderstorm, flood, hail, drizzle, forecast, umbrella.
Useful phrases. It was raining heavily this morning. The sky was dark and gray. There was a huge thunderstorm last night. The lightning lit up the entire sky. I carry an umbrella just in case.
And questions. Do you like rainy days? Have you ever been caught in a storm? What do you do when it rains heavily?
Rain and storms give us so many wonderful things to talk about in English. Use these words and phrases in your daily conversations, and you will sound so natural.
That is absolutely right. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you will become.
And remember, even on a rainy day, you can learn something new.
I love that. That is so true.
That's all for today's lesson, everyone. We hope you had so much fun learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And make sure to subscribe to Pro English channel and tell us in the comments where are you watching from.
We will love to read your comments. See you in the next video. Keep practicing every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.